Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel. Our today's topic is lung cancer. But before going to the topic, subscribe to my channel. Like it and share it. Okay, now let's start. Lung cancer is a disease of uncontrolled cell divisions in the tissues of the lungs. And always remember, when we say cancer, it is basically uncontrolled cell division. If any of the cell of the body start dividing again and again, then finally it becomes cancer and it is often called as tumor. So हम ये कह सकते हैं कि sometimes बॉडी के कुछ सेल्स डिवाइड होना शुरू हो जाते हैं और जब वो डिवाइड हो जाते हैं और अनकंट्रोल्ड तरीके से डिवाइड होते हैं तो then it is called as cancer, and this cancer could be in any part of the body. For example, if some of the blood cells they start dividing again and again, then it could become blood cancer. If any of the breast cells start dividing again and again, that it could be converted into breast cancer. Similarly, when the cells of the lungs they start dividing again and again, then lung cancer develops. So we can conclude that the cells continue to divide without any control and form tumors. During lung cancer, the cellular growth may also invade adjacent tissues beyond the lungs. Lung cancer is the most common cause of cancer-related deaths, and it is responsible for more than 1.3 million deaths worldwide annually. Okay, now let's discuss the causes of lung cancer. The main causes of any lung cancer include use of carcinogens. Carcinogens are any cancer-causing agents. For example, in cigarette smoke, almost 50 known carcinogens are present. Another cause is exposure to the ionizing radiations. And the third one is viral infection. As far as the lung cancer is considered, smoking is the main cause of lung cancer. Not only smoking, but passive smoking is as dangerous as smoking. So we can say that passive smoking is another major cause of lung cancer. In passive smoking, a person basically does not smoke, but he inhaled the smoke from the other person who is smoking. So we can say that the smoke from the burner end of a cigarette is more dangerous than the smoke from the filter end. Okay, now let's discuss some of the signs and symptoms of lung cancer. Most of the lung cancers do not cause any symptoms until they have spread, but some people with early lung cancer do have some symptoms. One of the symptoms is cough that does not go away, or it becomes worse, or even sometimes coughing up blood. Then loss of appetite यानी भूखा ना लगना, weight loss, shortness of breath, सांस का फूल जाना. There are some treatments of lung cancer. First one is surgery. If the cancer is in the initial stage, then it could be removed through surgery. Then chemotherapy, that is the treatment with the help of chemicals or drugs, but these drugs they have a very hard side effect. One of the major side effect is the loss of hair from the body. And the last treatment is radiation therapy or radiotherapy.